Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hans, and actually this is my first video, so I hope you like it. Wish me luck, and I hope you learn something too. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make these cool transitions right here. So without further ado, let's check it out. Yeah, for this transition, I'm calling this 180-degree sky flip. And I want to tell you first that this transition doesn't work with all videos. So you want to make sure that you have two videos with similar skies. Well, right here I have two videos with clear skies. So when you stitch it up together, it will look nice and seamless. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so right now we're already inside the Premiere Pro. So what I want to do first is just speed things up because I think these two videos are too long. Just speed it up to 200%. Or maybe 300% on the second video. This is still too long. Alright, next thing you wanna take the second video and put it above the first video. And you want to rotate it 180 degrees. And you want to drag this video up. Around here. That looks nice. And you want to get rid of this hard line right here. So you just, under the opacity tab, you will find this pen tool and just start to mask it out. And don't forget to invert it and turn the mesh feather up to 200 or whatever works. Looking good already. So next thing I want to take these two videos to After Effects. So you just select these two videos, right click and replace with After Effects composition right here. Okay, now we're inside the After Effects. So what I want to do first is just rename these two videos. Just rename it to first video. And for this one, guess what? Second video. Then you want to add a new adjustment layer and parent these two videos to the adjustment layer. And I want to go around here and I want to scale it down a bit just to check if everything's okay. Nice. Then I want to make the color of the sky similar. So just search for Lumetri color and add it to the second video. And I want to tweak a bit on the contrast here. Okay, looking good. Okay, looks better. Then I want to scale it back to 100. Well, if you go around here, you can see that the second video just kind of pops out. And I don't like that. So what I want to do is to introduce the second video to the scene slowly so it will look better. So what you want to do is animate the position of the second video. Just click the stopwatch button here for the position and move the keyframe to the right a bit. And you want to drag this video up until you can't see the video. Nice. So now you check it out. It will come slowly and you'll barely even notice it. Okay, looking nice. Next, I want to rotate the whole video. So you go to the adjustment layer and click the stopwatch button here on the position and rotation here. And you go to the and around the end of the first video. And add more keyframes here. And you want to rotate it 180 degrees. And then you want to drag the video up until you see the second video. Nice. Alright, just like that. Now let's check it out. Okay, now we have this black video on the background, so you want to get rid of it, and you just search for motion tile, and you want to add it to both videos. Alright, for the first video, just add the output width and height. Until you can see the black video, and check the mirror edges. And for the second video, you just want to add the output width right here. You don't want to add the output height. Because what happens if you add it, you will cover up the first video, so you don't want that. So just add the output. And check the mirror edges too. Some more. Nice. So what should you do if you want to get rid of the black video of the second video? You just scale it up a bit, maybe around 60, and just drag it up, and just drag it down a bit until you can't see the video, the black video. Looking nice already, and I don't want to see this shift right here because it kind of looks a little bit weird. Go to the adjustment layer, and you just have to drag it down until you can't see it. Just like that. Check it out. Looking nice already. Alright, next thing you just want to ease everything, just to make it smoother. Ease. And next thing, you want to add a wiggle expression. So let me close this tab for a second. Go to the adjustment layer, and you press the option button on your Mac or alt button on your Windows, and just press and just hold it and click the stopwatch here and add a wiggle. Maybe 2, 5. Okay, so right now we're having this black video up here again. So if you want to get rid of it, you just have to play with the mask expansion of the second video under the mask here. See this mask expansion? Just click the stopwatch. You can close everything else first. Okay, go to the end of the first video and just move it around. Wait for it. Looking nice. Alright, so there you have it, the 180-degree sky flip transition. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!